Hi, baby girl. What are you doing this morning, huh? Are you being a happy camper? Are you being a happy camper? You were happy and laughing and giggling in your sleep last night. Yeah. So I know it's just a matter of time before you giggle at Mama. You're almost there. You're almost there. Yeah. Yeah. Mommy just hasn't been that funny yet. You're obviously dreaming funnier things than Mommy can think of. Yeah. And say hello to everyone. Say brrr. Where's that noise coming from? Where's that noise coming from? Where's that noise coming from? Hi, Serenity. Yeah, there's a mama doing that noise. Mama. I go get you. I'm gonna get you. Yeah. I go get you. I go get you. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bless you. You say bye-bye, Serenity? No? Alright, I love you, baby bean. I love you. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. I love you. Yeah.